Hey guys, this is Beth once again and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a really exciting unboxing because I finally received the replacement for my defective Neo No Way in the rose freesia. I am so excited. I've so been dying to start wearing my Neo No Way in the pink color. I am beyond excited. I have not even used my pochette métis in the rose freesia, but with the Neo No Way, I am stoked to actually start wearing it. So today is the day. It is the unboxing for that one. And also I'm gonna be unboxing an accessory that I bought for both my Neo No Way and my pochette métis in the rose freesia. So, very excited to start using these rose freesia items for spring and summer. So without further ado, let us unbox this baby. It is humongous, so let me just open this up. So here is the item. It is very well padded. If you guys watched my first Neo No Way rose freesia unboxing, the box was completely torn. There were rips in two different places. It wasn't just a small rip, it was like really huge. Half of the box was like ripped and another side was completely torn as well. So this is probably the reason why she made sure that she padded everything beautifully. When my SA told me that she already have the replacement for my Neo No Way, I also asked her if she could send me a dust bag for my pochette métis strap. So she sent it to me in a paper bag. Awesome. And a drawstring pouch for it. Let us go ahead and open this baby up. There is no rip, you guys. I'm checking all the corners and there's no rip. Let's go ahead and look at the inside and see if everything is perfect. Hopefully she checked everything to make sure everything is beyond perfect. So here is how the inside looks. The receipt is in here. Oh my gosh. So excited. Here it is. So the sides really is a little wonky. I don't like that, but that's fine with me. I think the previous one that I got had better alignment on the sides. Let me put the box away. And let us inspect the bag. So here it is. Let us go check the strap first. So the strap is perfect. And let us go ahead and check the inside of this. So unfortunately, I unzipped the bag and it didn't come with any of the care booklet inside and also the item number and the textile card, but that's okay. Let me just check. Ooh, so it is perfect, you guys. I'm not sure if you guys can see it clearly, but I'm gonna take a picture of the part where it was ripped on my other bag and I will insert a picture and show you that it is perfect. I can see the date code, but I'm not gonna try to look at what the date code is, but it is perfect. The inside looks really nice. So here it is with the strap. Like I said, the sides is a little wonky. The one that I got the first time was better alignment wise, but I'm okay with how that looks. Unfortunately, you're not going to be able to find a perfect or a really nice alignment, so I'm okay with that. So here is my beautiful Neo No Way. I really love that pop of pink that's peeking out of the bag. So when you're using it and it peeks out, and on the other side as well, I really love that. I cannot wait to wear this one, and also of course my pochette métis in the same color. So you've seen my baby already. Let us go ahead and unbox the accessory that I bought for this one and see how perfect it matches with it. So here is the accessory that I bought for my Rose Freesia Pochette Métis and also my Neo Noe in the Rose Freesia. Hopefully it will match it. So I bought this one with my SA, the same SA that got me the Pochette Métis in Rose Freesia, and also the replacement bag, the Neo Noe, for my defective reverse monogram Pochette Métis. So since then, I've only been getting my items with her because she's the best SA that I've ever had by far. So here is the item. It came with a receipt. Here is the receipt that it came in. So here is the item. So let's go ahead and look at it. This is a little hard to untie. They tied it very, very tightly. So unfortunately, she didn't have this one in her store, but she was able to get me this in another store that they had in the same mall that she was in. So she ordered it for me and had it shipped. So here is the box. It's a pull-out box. And here is the item. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Look at that pretty pink in there. Just want to make sure that I'm saying the right name. So this is Monokinawa Bandeau in the color Magnolia. Unfortunately, this is actually not in the website. I'm not sure why, but I've seen some people post this one online. I couldn't find this anywhere. So I emailed my SA and asked her what bandeau this was, and she told me that this is Monokinawa in the color Magnolia. I wanted to get the blue one actually. The blue one has the same print as this one. It has some colors of pink and baby blue, but she told me that it is sold out everywhere and she might not be able to get me it, but she still put me in the wait list just in case they get more of that one. So I love the pinks of this one. I love the flowers in here. So the opposite side is actually a red color monogram with a light pink overall color and also the red in the bottom. I really, really love this one. Let me go ahead and try tying this one in my new Neo Noe Rose Freesia. So here is how it looks, sort of looks in my bag. That really, really looks so pretty with a freesia color. It does look so pretty with the pink strap and also the pink of the bag peeking in there. I love how that looks on the bag. It does look really pretty. I'm gonna try to play around and see how I'm gonna use it on my Pochette Métis and also on my Neo Noe Rose Freesia. So that was it, guys. That was the unboxing of my Neo Noe replacement. Finally, after waiting for a little bit for my SA to get a replacement, I finally have it. When I found out about the defect on my Neo Noe, she was gonna try to find me a replacement, but she also suggested that if I really wanted to wear it already, I can start wearing it. And then if I wanna get it fixed, she can just get the inside pouch completely replaced. But I didn't like the idea of my new bag getting repairs already. For whatever reason, it didn't sound right to me. So I've just decided to ask her, even if it was gonna take her a little bit to get me a replacement, I was willing to wait as long as I got a perfect bag without a defect. I didn't like the idea of having a new bag getting repairs already. I don't think that's right. You should get it perfect when you get it, considering how much money we spend on all these luxury items. So that was just my thoughts. So I'm very happy with my decision, and she pulled through and found me another one that didn't have any defects. So that is it, guys. That was the unboxing of my Rose Freesia Neo Noe replacement from the one that I got with defects. So the saga finally is over with the Neo Noe. And I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!